So I've made over $1.6 million selling simple ebooks online. And in my opinion, selling ebooks is one of the best business models to get started right now. Because with the rise of AI, you can create these ebooks very easily, and with the right strategy, it can be very profitable.
I agree. We made $17,259 from selling one book, and it's just a book. Of course, there is associated funnel and a high ticket in the back end, but all from one book. And the strategy he's talking about is called books, a 5-step strategy where you start making money from step number 4 and you make tons and tons of money in step number 5. But let me explain the real challenge here. You are saying, Mosh, I don't have time to write books. I don't even know how to write books. And I don't have time to learn how to use AI to write books. I get it. I've been there. I used to think the same way you think right now. And that's why I created my own Bookmaster, which is an AI book writer, AI agent. It turns any content into your own book. But that's not all. It writes books that sell themselves. But that's not all. It writes books that sell other stuff from inside the content. But these books are not only sales pitch, they are real valuable content, and at the same time they sell other stuff strategically from inside. That's exactly how we were able to make $17,000 from a $5 book, because the book itself sold a high price program from inside the book. If you want to get access to the Bookmaster AI agent, currently it's $19. It was $9 before. If you already got it, congratulations. If you haven't got it, right now the price is $19. And I can assure you the price is rising. I will drop the link in the description. If you find it $19, awesome. If you see the price is higher, I apologize. You have to pay whatever price you see. So if you are serious, this can be a life-changing purchase, and you should really get it if you want passive income. Link is in the description. Get it anytime. Enough selling, let's go back to the video. Step number 1, brainstorm topics. This is the most urgent part in order to make a lot of money. If you make mistake here, money will make mistake while showing up to your pocket. First, you can go to AI and ask, hey, give me Amazon KDP book ideas, and see what happens. It gives you tons and tons and tons and tons of ideas. You can ask for 100 ideas. You can ask for 1,000 ideas. So ideas are easy to get. But is it really profitable? I think we get a very good advice from here.
Is that most people will tell you to write on whatever topic that you're passionate about. Most people just tell you to start writing the book on, whatever topic that you're most passionate in. But this is completely wrong. And by skipping this step that I'm about to show you, you could waste so much time creating a book that no one wants. So what is this step? Well, that is validating your idea, checking if it's actually profitable. So most people write a book on whatever topic that they're passionate about first, and then they try to find people who want to buy it. So they write the book first and they're like, okay, where can I find people who want to buy my book?
That's totally wrong, and it should be complete opposite. So go to Amazon, go to book section, and install this Google Chrome extension called DS Amazon Quick View. You can start with the free version. Free version is good enough. Then this extension will show you these numbers. So this 615 number is bestseller rank, and your bestseller ranking should be less than 80,000. In this video, he chose a topic called decluttering.
I'm going to go with decluttering. So all I'm going to do is go to Amazon. I'm going to switch to the bookstore here, and then I'm going to type in my topic or my keyword. So in my case, it's going to be decluttering. If you're doing like a minimalism book, put minimalism. If you're doing like a Atkins diet book, put Atkins diet, whatever keyword, right? And you will get here to the search results. Now, what I want you guys to do is to go to the Google Chrome store and download a tool called DS Amazon Quick View. This book is making $277 every single day, over $8,000 a month just from one format. And we're going to talk about this later as well, but you can sell your book not just as an ebook format. You can sell it as a paperback, audiobook, so many ways, right? Which I'm going to show you. So it's very cool, but basically you want to find other books on your topic that is below 80,000 BSR. Because if it's around 80,000 BSR, most likely that book is doing about $500 a month. If it's much lower than 80,000, it's doing much more than $500 a month, as you saw just now. And this is a pretty good benchmark to aim. Like for each book that you publish, if you're making $500 a month, that is a pretty good place to be at.
So are we clear about which topic we should choose in order to make money? So let's say we are ready with a topic. Not only we chose a topic, we even optimized for profit. Now it's time to organize the content. If your book is mostly written content, then go for Bookmaster AI. Use Bookmaster AI and write your 3,000 to 4,000 word book in just a couple of minutes. Link is in the description. I don't want to tell you this over and over again. The next step, you want to publish your book on Kindle. So Google Kindle Publishing Guidelines and you will find these amazing section on Amazon. They will teach you everything. You do not need another course. Just go step by step, do it one time, and that's good enough. You can do it every single time, even 5 times a day. And listen to me, when you grow rich, you can hire a VA or virtual assistant to do this Kindle thing on your behalf. In fact, you can even get your book written using AI or handwritten by your VA or a ghostwriter. But after you actually make real money. So let's go and make money first. Once your book is on Kindle, you're actually ready to make money because when people find your book, they will buy and you make money. But up to here, you're completely under the mercy of the mighty Amazon. You want to take control of your own luck, of your own income. So you want to strategize your marketing. How do you do that? We have a program where we teach our beginner members how to use the power of social media, short videos, AI, and automated funnel to sell high-ticket programs completely automatically and earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. If you want to learn about our program, the link is in the description. You can check the free training and then decide whether this program is the right fit for you or not. And if you have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer you. However, let's go and show you what we teach our beginner students. We use AI, and with AI, we learn new skills and knowledge super fast. For example, we learned about this video using AI. We put the transcript of this video into our proprietary AI agent, and the AI agent explained the whole business model step by step. For example, we look at the SWOT analysis. It's called strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis. For example, check one of the weaknesses. It requires consistent marketing effort and dependent on Amazon's platform rules and fees. Look at one of the threats. High competition in popular niches. There is another threat. Because AI is available to everyone, everybody's doing it. You better hurry. My point is, we can learn new skills quickly. Once we learn, we go ahead and make short videos under 1 minute long. And then we upload the same video on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Now, these guys are in a war of getting attention using short videos. So they send us free traffic. We ask our viewers to check the link in the bio or in the description. When they do, they get into our AI-powered automated funnel. This automated funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commission. Now, the reason I'm telling you this is that you can use the same strategy of learning fast, making short videos, uploading them on multiple social media, and get the traffic to your books instead of your automated funnel. However, we recommend you put your book into this automated funnel so your viewers, your followers, and your traffic get a chance to buy your book. This is how you strategize marketing and scale your profitability. How does this sound? Let me know in the comments. You don't have to get stuck into your 9 to 5. You don't have to get stuck in one system of making money. It can even be Amazon KDP. You can run multiple income sources at the same time strategically. For that, I personally recommend watch the free training from the link in the description. It will open your mind because we showed our business model transparently. What exactly we do, what steps we take, and how we help our beginner members. The best of all, the training is free to watch. Go ahead, watch the free training from the link in the description, and I want to hear your feedback. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you think it's a good video that you can share with your friends and family, then please share with your friends and family. And if you want to watch our next video, then subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And if you want to learn more about making money online, getting free traffic, watch these videos and these videos. And I will see you in the next one.